going to use Graphite Paints by Kuretake. Just going to get my brush, choose a colour and randomly put it onto the page, moving my brush around as I go in a random kind of manner, washing my brush out and getting a different colour, layering that over the top. This one's a red. So these Kuretake paints are really quite lush. They give quite a depth of colour. Quite interesting to mess about with. And then I'm going to add some, I think this is green. Let's have a look. Yeah, a green colour. Again, layering over the top. Really randomly. Colours will mix and that's fine. Just want a nice random pattern. Okay, gonna let that dry. See you in a bit. I've got an old sponge, I've got some white acrylic paint, and I've got this lovely tree stencil which I'm going to see how this turns out. So just adding the white acrylic paint to my stencil and just dabbing the paint on. And there you can see your beautiful trees. It almost looks like bark, the watercolour paint underneath. It's given a lovely effect, I think. Please leave comments. We'd love to hear from you. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.